And it goes a little something like.
I'll keep you warm all summer, and after fall, I'll keep you warm all summer, and after fall, I'll keep.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Victoria. I'm back with another video. By the time you already know what this video is going to be about, and if you don't read it.
I feel like Tyler the Creator was just staring at the screen. You know that one picture of his jail picture?
He has a joke.
Just search it up. Okay, we're gonna put that there.
So what's up with this? Okay, anyways. So by the title, you know what it is. We're going to be trying Japanese candy and chips
Snacks.
and
Japanese snacks.
yeah, there we go.
And I have brisk sweet tea in case
Okay.
I don't like it.
This could sound weird, but you know it was just because I was like getting ready. There's Capri Sun in the bathroom.
You nasty beast!
But you know,
Yeah, I have this, so in case I don't like it, we can wash it down.
yeah,
And Victoria has Capri Sun, because she's a little girl.
I'm childish.
Okay, now we're gonna pause it and I'm gonna put it on each person.
I don't know why I do that. Everybody says it looks like I'm tired of everyone's shit when I post this. I'm like,
Now she has Capri Sun. So if we don't like it, then we don't have to suffer.
yeah,
You want to like show it?
yeah.
The first thing we have is shrimp chips, and I think I'm really gonna like these because I really love shrimp. And I've tried shrimp chips before, but not these ones. And then we have
You don't try those? No. Okay. Backstory. I'm not even gonna lie. I tried it before. I had a best friend named Jenna. Jenna, if you're out there and you see this video, she used to give me snacks. I think she knew that if I was poor, that my mommy and daddy was not gonna buy me snacks. So every day she brought me a Lunchable. She brought me a Yakult, you know the yogurt drinks.
yeah.
She brought me those, and like yeah, it was every single day. She knew I was poor. But anyways, she brought these one time, and yeah, these remind me of her. So Jenna from Cerritos, first grade, you put me on.
Next thing we have is fish chips, and I don't like fish at all. Like I hate fish.
I picked them up because like I don't know, it was just like people still buy them.
I don't think I'm gonna like those. The next one I'll have it.
So these are actually Japanese corn nuts.
Oh.
Yeah, and the flavor is hot garlic. What? I wish you could hear that. If you could read mine, you know what we said. But yeah, we got garlic. We got garlic corn nuts. So yeah.
Hot garlic.
Next. Okay, I'm excited.
I've never tried these, but I really want to try these. Like,
I
this is
never.
Like, I really want to try
Show.
these. Grape, and what's that one?
This one's orange.
Ooh.
I never tried these, but I've seen, I believe it was like Sherman the Vermin or whatever, but he said, well, I don't even think they liked them. I'm not sure, I don't remember, but I'm excited, because like, I feel like they're going to be good. I feel like grape's going to be better than, orange or whatever.
And the glass.
Yeah, the glass, and when you open it, you have to like, do it like super hard.
I want to get the ball out so bad, so I think I'm going to shatter the glass. The last thing is so odd.
What are they called?
They're called
Hot Flakes.
No, they're not hot. They're called How. H-A-W.
Flakes.
I don't really know what this is. I don't know like what to expect. I don't know if I'm expecting like little.
I think it's gonna be hot.
I don't know what to expect. 'Cause there's like tomato on it, or I don't know what that is.
We don't know what it is.
I don't know.
But we're
I don't know what it
excited.
looks like inside, but yeah.
I didn't get like too much. I just got like, I don't know, like what I seen there, cause there's like this seafood place next to where we live, and I was like trying to figure out what was like the best things or what I seen other people try. So yeah. With that being said, if you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a what? Sissy Poo.
a like, and go ahead and comment and share this with your friends.
No,
subscribe,
Sissy
baby
Poo,
girl.
we don't give a fuck if you like this video. We want you to subscribe, okay? I'm just kidding. No, but honestly, like, I'm on my road to 100 subscribers, and it may not seem like a lot to y'all, but to me, like, I feel like a bad bitch, okay? Like, 100 people support me, you know what I mean? I'm at 84 subscribers, but you can be a part of my family, so please, please, please subscribe. Okay? Okay. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna try is
Drinks, because we're really excited, like, super excited. Like,
and I don't know how to do it. Like, okay, so this is pill,
maybe there's
the cap,
Oh, this is the cap. This is the cap, because this is.
but you have to turn it, it says, right? Push it.
Okay, let's
Okay.
try it. Okay, so we're gonna start this, right, guys?
What if they catch a ghost? What do you do?
I'm trying grape
Oh!
because it looks really cute. Get it, get it, get it.
I mean, it's on floor.
Get it, it's okay. Oh, you have to push it out with this. Okay, so I got mine, the first one out. So
Wait, how did you do it?
you just push it out.
Oh!
Like that. Oh my god, yours is green. That's so cool. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be so cool. I have to sit up for this one.
I'm like really
Sorry guys
excited.
that you can't see me,
Wait.
but I really just have to sit up.
Oh my god, look at it! It's a ball! Okay, right off the bat, do you guys see that? It's literally like
Just a ball.
a glass ball. Like, what the heck? Okay, wait. You have to do it hard?
Yeah, I think.
Okay.
Ready?
Where's the brakes? Do it, you do it first.
Right, no, at the same time.
I'm scared.
Let's go slow. Ready? Set, go. You knocked mine off.
Oh, fuck.
I'm scared.
You have to do it smart. Wait, is this the right way?
I'm struggling on the camera.
What if we do this the wrong way?
I keep sticking to me.
It's so
I'm
hard.
gonna use a hammer.
It's so hard.
I wanna use a camera. I wanna use a hammer.
What the heck? Oh my god.
I wanna do one myself.
Just push hard. With like the palm of your hand right here. That was so scary. You help?
No, I wanna do it myself. Technical difficulties.
Just do it like. You get it.
Ah!
Oh my god, look it. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a. Oh, you can't see it. It's picking it up. Okay, so. Where'd you do it?
Ready?
I was scared. Wait, okay.
Okay, ready? Set.
Oh, what the heck? That's good.
Ah!
Mine's good.
It got all over my eyes. I didn't even get to taste it.
No?
No, it got in my eyes.
Try it. I don't know about yours. Mine's good.
Mmm.
Mine tastes like exactly like oranges. Wait. Mmm.
It's really good. I like the grape one better.
Oh, that's good.
This is really good. We need to start getting these more.
I know, and they're only $1.
Girls? These are really good. Listen to the,
Okay.
listen to the grass.
Right off the bat, when you do this, I guess that's what starts the
Hey!
fizz.
Yeah. And look at the ball gets stuck
Yeah,
right
the-
here. That's why it's like built like this. The ball gets
That's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, these are so fire.
Okay, now we
though.
have to rate them. Okay, I rate this a 10
It's
out
a-
of 10.
It's like a sparkling water,
But like sparkling
but
water
it
usually
tastes
isn't good.
better.
Sparkling
yeah.
water usually isn't good.
It's not good. But these are fire. So
I give these 10 out of 10.
I give them 10
Right
out
after
of
that,
10.
we started off really.
I would recommend these.
I recommend
They're
these
good,
flavors.
yeah.
Very good. These flavors, because we don't know what the other ones taste like.
Yeah.
The other ones could taste like boo boo.
Yeah.
And you can use this as like a cap.
Yeah.
I guess so. I mean, it covers it. I just made it up. Okay, what are we doing?
The next one. You pick one.
I want to do this.
Okay, I think this is her childhood. Okay, you
I
guys.
picked these because these are so good, and I really like these. And my dad used to take me to the liquor store that was across the street every day when he came to pick me up, and he would get us snacks, and I would always get the off-brand versions of these, the ones that you get. At
Oh, the pandas?
Yeah.
The pandas are good.
And then I would get a bunch of snacks, and then I would get these every time. And he knew that I liked these, and he would buy them for me a lot.
People buy them for her like every single day.
These are really, really good. I really like these.
Okay, I don't remember this.
I do.
I really like. I remember she used to get them a lot, and like I would ask her, but she wouldn't say no because she like liked them a lot. But she gave me one time, but I don't remember. I feel like it's gonna taste like Crave. Y'all know what Crave is, so stop
It's getting really
lying.
hot.
It's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes.
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes.
I'm getting so hot. I'm losing my roll.
It's
You wanna open it?
Yeah.
These are her childhood, so she gonna open it.
What's this? There's like a little note. Oh. Never mind. It's just a tab to close it. Okay.
It's not open for you to open it.
It's like nothing. So like package.
It's not a cardboard. She might have
Okay. So
cardboard.
the first thing that you see is.
Oh,
this.
that's cute. The packaging.
I
is
really like the
so-
packaging.
Look, show them the front of it. It's like checkers with koalas on it.
It's really cute. I really like it.
I like it.
So
too.
it's in the brown checkers, it's a boy, and then in the white light checkers, it's a girl.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's a bow and then a boy.
That is
And then it's a bunch
so
of different faces.
cute. Look at it. I'm scared.
Okay, so you guys are gonna get to see the first peek, I guess. Maybe. I don't really know what's actually gonna happen. Hopefully you guys are gonna see the first peek. Yeah, okay, you guys are gonna see the first peek on how it looks. So this is what it looks like inside.
Oh, the koalas. They're like pandas. So the koalas.
I'll spread it out.
Put them right there.
I don't know what I just said. I'll spread.
I think because koalas are like.
Okay,
Oh my god! Oh!
I'm gonna show them one now.
Look!
Look, it's a boy and a girl, I told you.
That is so cute!
This is the girl one,
This is the boy one.
and here's another one. They're like,
They're so cute. Oh. Is this how they normally smell?
I don't know.
Mm. Look at me.
They smell the same.
As pandas?
Okay, ready?
We got the chocolate ones, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got
Ready?
chocolate ones.
Set, go. They taste a little different, but they're still really good.
Chocolate is a 10. It tastes like Ferrero Rocher. Mm-hmm. You get your cheap Ferrero Rocher.
This is what the inside looks like. It's just chocolate.
Mmm. It's hard. Like, but if you put it in your mouth, it melts.
Oh my god, it's like a little emperor thing.
And like, the outside is like, I know that, hold on. What is that? It's like a cookie. Like a Maria cookie. That's good. Who the fuck? I like that. A lot.
Me too. I give it a 10 out of 10 again.
I give it a 10 out of 10. I want to try cornets. I don't know. These sound
Here,
good.
you introduce it. So you can pick them out.
So we got the boy, bawang, cornic, hot garlic flavor. Bitch, you know what I mean.
I'm gonna feel myself.
Oh shit. Oh god. So this is what I was gonna say.
You're gonna say what Alright, we'll be back when we're sane. We'll be back when we're good.
Jill. That's so good. Oh shit. Alright.
We can't do it. We can't do it without. Stop, that's gross.
I don't know. I'm not even gonna lie. I watch ASMR every single night.
If you can't fall asleep, watch ASMR movies.
And it puts me to sleep like that. And I only watch like 3 girls. This is like black girls I watch.
Oh,
And then,
what?
yeah, but she's like always excited for no. The bitch doesn't pick one.
And these are the claws and pickles. Cochadel. Half size. It smells so good.
I don't watch that one, okay? I don't watch the fucking eating ones. But I watch ASMR Darling, ASMR Mads, and then the black girl. Not the one you're thinking. Okay. Are your eyes water?
Why can't we be normal human beings?
Okay. Damn, this video is 20 minutes long. Okay.
It's not about to be 20 minutes long.
Next.
The whole video is us laughing about onions. About hot onion chips. Okay, guys, we're back. It's been a long time.
We got the.
We have to just do it. We can't do it without laughing.
We're not
We
gonna
can't
tell you
do
what
it
to
without-
do.
Okay, so we've tried for like the past 5 minutes to try not to laugh and do this, and we can't do it. So we're not.
It smells like garlic powder.
I smell it. I can't smell it.
Alright, you're gonna laugh, please. Oh my god. Okay, while she's gone, I'm gonna put some on this plate. She needs a bathroom break. I'm not even gonna lie. Capri Sun is so good. They fucking stink like onion, like garlic powder. I don't even want to eat it. Yeah, bitch. Okay, so.
It's not in the bag.
It smells like it, huh? It smells like it. I already took them out of the package.
Guys, I'm sorry that I'm so short. I just literally sat down because I can't do it anymore.
We're on our knees. Just step back and God, please. No, wait, I got you.
Okay, hurry up this song.
Yeah, so they don't have flavor on them. Like, you know how cornets have it?
Yeah.
They're
Maybe
like,
it's just built in.
oh, it is. Okay, it's on there, but it's really like
Okay, ready? Ready, set, go. Go. I can't taste it. Get a bunch.
I taste it.
Oh, wow.
Good. Mmm.
It's like inside.
Kind of bland.
I like these really a lot.
They're good though.
Even though they smell like
They're like air, like you chew on them and a little hit of air in your mouth. You know, like the dirty bubble when you like pop it, you like. I'm serious though. They're good.
dirty bubble.
Oh shit, I dropped it.
Wait, cut this part out, okay?
Oh, go ahead.
It looks like she smells like the dirty bubble.
Okay.
Give it back.
10 out of 10? I'm gonna give it a 10.
I give them a solid 7
Yeah, 7.
or 6. Like,
But it's like they're good to where you don't want to stop. But then I wouldn't buy it like a lot. Like if I was like pregnant and craving, yeah. They're good. They're kind of spicy too.
I know,
A
like,
little spicy, like. So yeah, 7.
I'm sorry, I can't stop eating them.
They're good, huh? And they're only $1 too.
Everything at almost $1.
Yeah, except for those. Those are like 3.
I have to pick next.
Okay. She looks next. Ooh, I thought fall asleep.
Why did you say it like that? Like it's falling asleep.
I don't want some more.
I choose the fish chips. Hurry up.
Oh, oh my fucking god.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. Okay. Are you wearing my earrings?
Try these. These are really good.
What do you mean you found them again? You lost them?
No, I left them in the room, but
Oh, try this. Garlic bits. Try this garlic bits. Anyways, so the only reason why we were like kind of scared or whatever is because my brother Dylan. So. They're good, huh? What would you rate them? Try this. Try this. It's fire.
Why did you drink it with the cap on, stupid?
They're kind of good, huh?
I didn't take it
Why
off.
are you
Smack it?
No, just pull it up.
Oh.
The little thing on the top, Dylan. You see that?
I'm taking one of these.
No,
I like
don't.
this one better.
Alicia, don't. Tell her to put it back.
It's good.
Let me get some of those.
Wait.
Okay, you guys go.
Dylan, what does the name remind you of?
Dylan, smell it and tell me what it reminds you of. Smell it and tell me what it reminds you of.
Ew. Curry.
Dylan, listen. Dylan, look at
Why
me.
do all your snacks
I'll
smell
take one
weird?
since
Dylan,
I don't know.
look at me.
What is that? Okay,
Stop, guys.
everybody, we're almost done. We're almost done. Please.
Alright, go upstairs.
So, next.
Next, we have. I want to do the fish chips because I want to save my shrimp chips for last.
Alright, so fish chips. That's what they are. They're fish crackers. You said chips.
I'm a freak.
Is it no? Okay, so.
This is what they look like. Yeah, I'm opening them.
So.
I don't think you can open it. I
No,
think
no.
I think you have to open it like this because it's a regular.
Girl?
Yeah.
No?
Try it, open it. Should we pop it? Can I pop it?
No, just. Okay, so we were really interrupted because somebody decided to call me and everybody knows that I use my phone to record. So, yeah. Anyways.
So
what were
you actually can't open it like this. Like we just
I
tried.
know, we tried it. It was super fucking hard.
So I think I'm just gonna open it like how you open.
Yeah. Why is it like their packaging's hella thick? Shoot it.
I didn't smell it. This is.
It smells.
Oh!
Whoa! You smell it?
Blech.
It smells like fish.
I'm gonna eat these Victoria.
Oh,
Victoria, you know I don't like fish.
I
hate
love fish actually.
You, bruh.
Oh, they look like what's it called? You know Sabritas?
Yeah. I can't eat those.
Okay, they stink. It fucking stinks.
Okay. I can't.
This is what they look like.
I can't do it, Victoria.
Sabritas.
Victoria, I can't do it.
You got it. Okay.
Tell me when you're ready to go.
What is right?
Tell me when you're ready to go.
1, 2, 3, go. They're good.
Ah! No.
They're good, but they're stale.
Chanelli approves.
Don't they taste like crawfish?
I don't know what crawfish is. Chanelli approves.
That's fish. Oh, this is
She like me.
dumb.
I'm still gonna eat anyways.
It smells like rotten pussy.
I can only eat these if I plug my nose. Ew.
Wow, good. Mm-mm. No.
Is it okay?
I mean, mm-mm.
The aftertaste is gross.
The aftertaste is so nasty. I like, okay, I'm not gonna lie. Like this is good. It's being okay. Eating is a different story. Fucking -10.
I give that a
I give
negative.
that 1.
I give that a 0. It's disgusting.
Rinse. I need a.
That tastes gone from my mouth.
Fuck no. Ew, no.
Okay, so some people already took some right now.
Yeah, like
That's okay.
we didn't try them, I promise. Like, I put that on my grandma. I put that on both.
Okay, they look like this. If you open it, one of them looks like,
I like because we get over the bear sauce.
like this.
Like that. And they're called Ha Flakes. Ha Flakes. By Dandy Brand. It's just a Dandy Brand. That would be cool.
Okay, ready? We're gonna open them
Ooh.
now. They smell like.
Okay, that's the packaging, baby. Ew, what is this? I thought this was gonna be
I
good.
thought this was gonna be like candy.
What is this?
I don't know, but
It was in the candy aisle. Ew. Okay, I don't know if you can see,
It
but
looks like
they're
pepperoni.
they're flat.
It's like pepperoni.
Yeah, like dried pepperoni. Okay, look. You guys see it, right? The ridges or whatever.
Do you guys think that it's dried pepperoni?
It stinks.
It smells like if soap could get rotten.
It smells like feet.
It smells like rotten soap.
I don't know.
I don't know how to say
Okay, I don't know if you can eat
Okay,
this.
ready?
They're in candy aisle, so I'm gonna get it again. I don't want to eat it. Don't look it. There, ready? 2, 3.
Oh. Chew it. Chew it. It makes my jaw lock up.
I don't like it. One.
-1. That was really nasty.
I don't like that.
Why do we have to do the nasty too?
What are you doing?
Anyway, fuck no.
Enough macaroni one.
So last but not least, this is what we got.
Shrimp chips, I'm so excited because I really love shrimp and I really like shrimp chips.
What?
Go, where are you gonna finish?
You ready for the smell?
Okay. They stink.
It's like rat.
It
smells
literally
like rat.
stinks like
It smells like rat.
like dead pussy. Again.
It's like rat
But-
vagina. Why does it smell like girls at my school? It's like high schoolers. It's like high school girls.
It smells like 5th graders after. Oh shit. Okay.
Ready?
We're reading up this time. Mm-hmm. 10 out of 100.
You're so stupid. You're so stupid. You're stupid.
I dare you.
The glizzy with no bun.
It looks like a hot dog with
It looks like a glizzy with bun.
It looks like a hot dog and bologna. Did you eat it? Did you eat it?
Fuck no.
Ready? You ready?
You want me not to eat that? No.
I changed my mind.
10 out of 10.
So now you're here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm super dirty. Look.
She'll eat it. She'll like it. She seems to like it. It's dog food. I've been in dog food. Out of all of them, what was your favorite? I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like these the most. Really, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't know, they were just, and like, even though like they ended, like, you wanted more. You know what I mean? What about you?
It's between these two because this one, like,
Okay, you were
I
choosing
know.
for the rest of your life.
I'm going with the shrimp chips because I sometimes I get tired of sweets.
Yeah.
I never ever get tired of stuff like
I get heartburn, but from corn nuts. But with this, I'll fuck with it. Like, they're good. They're so good. You can't go wrong though. Least favorite?
Those are disgusting. Those are nasty.
Disgusting?
They're even.
No, I give this one a cake. This shit was nasty. Oh, fuck's wrong with
Why do
you?
they even sell these? That should be illegal.
So, that concludes us trying Japanese candy. Japanese candy?
Japanese snacks. I told you this in the beginning and you're not listening.
Sorry, father. So this concludes our first impressions on Japanese snacks. It was interesting. It was kind of, yeah. So this concludes our video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give this video a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe on my road to 100 subscribers. Okay, I'm Victoria.
You look like Russian Princess Owen.
I don't know who that is, but well,
Look.
maybe I'll just put that in. Y'all, why did this little girl do me dirty? Why did she do me dirty like that? So I'm Victoria,
I'm Araya.
and this concludes.
That was really rude. We have to start it over. I'm food in my mouth.
Okay.
Don't be fucking rude.
Are you kidding me?
I swear to God, don't be fucking
What
rude
are
and
you
throw the thing on
doing?
me. I'll fucking hurt you. Don't do that.
So I'm Victoria,
I'm Araya.
and this concludes us trying this. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you did, like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
The next clip is gonna be some ASMR from me.
Bye.
Wait, I need to do my ASMR.